Hello, I just wanted to show you my favourite stitch today, the Twisted Triple Treble. I'm just going to do a sample. I've got a new ball of gorgeous Aran wool. I'll pop the link in the description. It's this jewel spun Aran from Surdar, 200 grams, so it's plenty to do a scarf. This is just a sample today, so I've done, you need an odd number. So do an odd number of chain and then an equivalent number of trebles, and then we're going to turn, and we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4 chains up. So that chain goes down to this gap here. So we're going to go around 3 times because it's a triple treble, and we missed that one, and then we're going to go into that one. Let me zoom in. And then you go around through 2, around through 2, around through 2, round through 2. And then you see this gap here that we missed. We're going to work into the front of that one, but we're going to do the working on the back. So we go 1, 2, 3, and we go in. So hold that there so you can see. And then we go through, and then we work the stitches on the back. So round through 2, round through 2, round through 2. This stitch works up really quickly. It's very, very satisfying. So can you see, this is going to keep your straight edge. And then this is where the twist starts happening. So let's do a couple more together. So round, and then we're going to miss this one, and we're going to go into this one. I'm going to do this as a separate tutorial so that you can make your own twisted triple treble scarf. And then we go back, same as before. Obviously it's very repetitive, but it's so therapeutic. And this is the project I take if I go to a craft group, because I can sit and chat and not really think about it. So we're going in there. I've skipped one. The only thing you do need to do is count at the end of every row or every other row that you've not skipped a stitch, or you've not skipped the end stitch, because I might have done that once or twice. So passing on my advice. Now you should be left with 3 stitches. So you've got one there, and then you've got the turning chain. So we're going to do as normal. We're going to skip that one and into this one. Through 2, through 2, through 2, through 2, round 3. I am working in UK terms, by the way. Triple treble would be a double treble, maybe, in American. Right, so the thing we do in this last stitch here, which is the turning chain, is we just do an UK double treble, so round twice and in. So we just do shorter stitches at the end, a little bit shorter, just to keep that edge nice and tight. So if you did a triple treble there, it would bulge out. So that is what it looks like. Can you see the 3D of it? So I'm just going to show you how to start the next row. So we go up 4. We go 4 chains and turn, and then round 3 times, and then you skip the top of that one and you go into that one. I'm addicted to this stitch. I am trying to build this this little community, this little page. So please subscribe. I'm adding kind of weekly Lots of crochet goodness, mindfulness, usually a cup of tea on the go, but I haven't today. So I'll just get to the end of this row with you. Hopefully, let me know in the comments how you get on with this, because it is really, really gorgeous and textured. Oops. Let's see where we're up to. Oh, look at that. Right. Into that one. So yeah, give yourself an odd number of chains and trebles for the welt. That's not called a welt, is it? For the border, for the bottom. Right, we'll just finish this off, and then I'm just going to run and get you my scarf that I've already made out of a similar yarn, because I can just see it in my eyeline. So at the end we need a double treble, and then you just continue like that. Obviously these colours are going to come out the further we get, so I'm obviously on a darker bit. I'll just run and get the scarf that I've already made. Which is here. How gorgeous is this? Autumnal. Can you see? I mean, if you want to hang around, I can count how many sets of triple trebles we've got. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So that's a good guide for you. And that was the same kind of wool as this one is. Different colourway, but honestly, they are stunning. So happy crocheting, and check back soon when I've finished this one as well. I'm going to do this as a crochet along. Thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing, and thank you for liking, and I'll see you next time. Bye.